Hello viewers, I'm that your friend Father Michael Obodo, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. As you can see, we are already in the field. We are doing what they call brushing. And today I want to be discussing on how to go into pig farming, reducing costs of pig farming. Because there are some of us who complain about the cost of feeding animals. And that is exactly what I shall be discussing here today. One way in which you can reduce the cost of feeding your animals is through planting some of the materials that are needed for making their feed. One of them is energy, which is the maize. Maize is actually about 75% component needed in their feed, and it's very expensive here in our country, Nigeria, and people complain of the prices. So for you to reduce that, you need to go into the field, you do brushing, and you plant your maize. When you plant your maize, you harvest and you store, because there are some of us who buy everything to feed our animals, and it will reduce your inputs, which is the income. And that is why people complain that it's very expensive taking care of those animals. As you can see here in our field, we're already brushing so that we can do maize planting to reduce the cost of feeding our animals. That is actually why I'm here discussing about that. Once more, I remain that your friend, Father Michael Obudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about. So can Mama please come over as we do the brushing. Wow, so we are going to do the brushing, then we plant the crop. So thank you and God bless you.